Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. I'm a tennis player in the heart, rather amateur one, but a big enthusiast. And I also go running, I go swimming. The whole point for me to use the cupping therapy will be for the recovery purposes. Now, I will go ahead and demonstrate how it feels and looks like when you use them. For me, the problematic areas are actually my legs. Yes, my legs are hurting because they need to carry this fat upper body. There's a valve here, and this valve actually lets the air in and does not let the air out. That's the whole point of how this thing works. Once again, you plug it in here. This set came with the product itself, which is really important because apparently on other sets than this one, this extension cable is another extra cost. But in our case, it was rather easy. And the pump works like this. So let's jump in and actually see how the cupping works.
You see, it's really easy to just suck it on.
For me, the advantage or the benefit I get, this relief, the sensation is already present around the 5th minute mark. These cups are made of very strong plastic, which is actually used in airplanes' glasses, so I am going to stress test it here. By the way, the set comes with 14 different cups. Well, 14 cups, but there's a variety. Like, there is a size difference with this structure that can attach to uneven surfaces as well, like your shoulder. You need to use 70% rubbing alcohol to sanitize it. But again, refer to the manual for further information. So there is actually a way to sanitize these, and they can be used on many people. Apparently, you can also use warm water just to clean it, but you need to be very mindful of the temperature you're using because if you boil them, basically they will lose shape, they will lose their function overall. Okay, I promised a stress test, right? Okay. I mean, I don't really want to break one of these. Like, I will actually use these things, but alright. Whoa. Okay. I'm like putting pressure. I don't know how can you see what I'm doing. Okay, maybe I can drop it on the floor. Alright? This is an uncut footage. Drop in it about 4 feet. And here you go. This is actually impressive. Is this a dent? No. Nope. It is working just fine. I am impressed by the quality. I mean, I was already impressed when I actually squeezed it. Okay, I'm really going for the kill now. I mean, instead of 14 cups, I'm gonna end up with 13. But okay. About these alternative uses that I mentioned on the product manual, there are apparently some graphs, but they're not the best quality. You can go online or buy some pro stuff if you are actually into using this for more medical purposes. Basically, I really enjoy the cupping therapy for recovery purposes, but feeling-wise, it's a personal thing, and I'm telling you, I enjoy the relaxation I get from the cupping therapy kit from CareMe, and I will use it in my daily life.